My name is Felipe. I'm Brazilian. I'm 20 years old, and I'm here in Taipei since February. I've been studying Chinese, and I came to Taiwan specifically because I searched a lot about it. I wasn't sure about how it was gonna be if I went to mainland, and I found that Taiwan was actually a good opportunity, like a good place to come. So I took the shot, and I don't regret it at all. I speak English, Portuguese. I think that I can speak Spanish because I know Portuguese already, and now I'm trying to get some Chinese out of me. Okay, so when I first came to Taipei, I had no idea how it was gonna be. I was kind of lost. I would walk everywhere. I mean, the city it's very good to walk. When I came, it wasn't summer. It was like the end of the winter, so it was very comfortable to walk. And I would take like 2 hours walks around the city. It was just amazing. And when I found out about the Easy Card that they use here for the buses, for the metros, it's just so easy to go around the city. You can just take they have a lot of lines with metro, and it's just like very useful to go everywhere. I use it all the time. And also they have the YouBikes, which is a system where you use the same card, you tap it you tap it on the bike, and then you can use it. And it's so cheap, it's so good. The whole transportation system is very cheap, so it's very good to go around. Like I'm used to Ubering everywhere in Brazil, and here it's just like so easy. Everywhere you can just walk. It's always so comfortable. They have on the pavement, on the sidewalk, actually, they have some places where there's shadows. So even if it's sunny, if it's a sunny day, you can walk anywhere. And the city's so beautiful. I personally like to walk in the small streets because I can always see the place where people actually live. So I can see their houses, how they are on the outside. They always have so many plants, and it's just so beautiful to walk around. I'm completely in love with the city. And they have the night markets here, which is something amazing. So around 6, 7, they open these markets where you can find all different kinds of foods, and it's so good and so cheap. Actually, like food here overall, you can get the pork rice, the chicken rice, and it's so good. Like everywhere, I haven't had any problems with food here. Just chow tofu because I haven't tried yet because I'm afraid a bit. Stinky tofu, it's the name, so I never can get it. But it's so good. I like food here. It's something that I don't have any problems at all. So the city itself, I'm gonna miss it a lot. It's so sad to say goodbye because I know I want to come back so much now because it's an amazing city and it's gonna leave a mark on me. So I've been staying in LTL for 7 weeks. It's been a great time. I mean, the teachers are amazing, and I've been doing group classes. And I personally don't like 101 that much because I'm always like afraid that it's gonna be boring or something. But actually I've tried it sometimes when my other students, like my fellow students, they miss class and I had like almost a 101, and it was very good as well. But I mean, the group classes are perfect for me. The teacher always makes sure that everyone's getting everything. So if we want to go slow, we can go slow. If we wanna do exercises, we can do exercises. We have the freedom of choosing what we want to learn. So sometimes in class we want to learn some specific vocabulary, we go for that, and I think this is amazing. When I came to LTL at first, I was a bit scared because before I was studying in this other school here, and we used to have tests every week. We used to have a dictation always during the week, and it was very hard. I thought it was like the right way to learn. I thought I fit through it, but now that I'm at LTL, I think that here, I wish I would stay here for longer because it's so much better. Sometimes we just discuss in Chinese, and the teacher is always like correcting my tones, correcting what we're saying, but we're actually having conversations, which is nice. So we actually use the Chinese for that. And I like that very much. So every day in class, it's hard to wake up because it's early, but I don't regret at all coming here because I always have a good time. Also about the staff here, Riona, Eileen, they're amazing. They help us with everything. When I did my test, my interview to know which level it was. I didn't know I was actually gonna see them every day. I didn't know I was actually gonna be with them here, and it's so nice to be with them. We are always talking when we're having the break parts. We go every day for lunch together. So we get we get a big table with everyone from the school, with all the staff, and it's so nice to know everyone. It's so nice to talk. It's so nice to know about the culture outside of class. When we order tons of different foods and we try everything together, it's so good. And also about the school itself, everyone's is very chill, so we are always talking, we are always making conversation, we're always knowing about the different cultures, we're learning about Taiwanese culture, and it's so good. Also the classes, like itself, the place, I like it very much. It's very informal, so it's a big table, everyone's together. We're like drawing something during class, and we laugh about it in Chinese. We discuss a lot. We draw on the boards, and we make class from that. And it's for me, it's perfect. So here I'm staying at a student's apartment, is what they call, through LTL. And it helped me so much, because before I was looking for apartments in Airbnb or in Facebook, and it was so hard to find them. It was so hard to get in touch with the landlords. I had some friends here that were having some trouble with the landlords, with changing places, and the student's apartment was just perfect for me. They arranged everything. I went there. It's a perfect apartment. If we have any trouble, we can talk to LTL, or we can talk to the landlord directly, which is everything's okay, but it's so good. It helped me a lot. It's 10 minutes away from the school, so every day I take the bike. I take the YouBike here, and it's just so comfortable. I love it. Overall, my experience here has been amazing. With LTL, it's been so good. I'm learning so much useful vocabulary for the daily usage. Also, the city itself, it's so good. The friends that I made here, they're gonna be here like forever with me. And it's just been an amazing experience. I don't regret it at all. I have been wanting to do this for a while, but because of COVID, I had to push it. I have to push it forward, and I don't regret at all this decision of coming here, of coming to LTL, of coming to Taipei, of learning Chinese. It's been simply amazing, and I might do it later. I don't know, later in my life, because it's been so good that I really want to do it again.
If you had to pick one between Riona, me, Manuel, or Aiden, who's the best one?
I don't think I can say that.
Oh,
I would choose Xiao, the non-official staff, who always help us to figure out where to go to lunch and what to order. It's always a mess to order, but it's so fun and it's so nice. I love it.
That's a wrap. Wait, let me come in. Let me come in as well. Manuel, walk in.
Or when he was like, oh, well, the friends I made here, I was like, me!
Eileen!